Just like the Bible belt buckle might break loose. I'm a believer, but to whom much is given, much is required. We are far from the standard of the truth. Jesus Christ inspired. It'll be a rude awakening to the social club, corporate modeled and Freemason run, organizations with a cross on top, sitting in comfort believing we're on the Lord's side. Sure, the facility is grand and well supplied, throwing money to save the world while we entertain inside. But where are the tears for our sin, or for lost and perishing men? Why no sighs for faulty blame, grief and shame for all the pain that we've caused others, our broken families and brothers, hurting our sisters and mothers, and I'm no better. Lord knows I'm no better. Where is the love and compassion for the hungry and the outcast, with no place to lay their head and nowhere to call their home? God have mercy. Here's a warning, fault lines, earthquake and shaking, secret mystery, Babylon breaking, fire falling, shaking and baking like chicken frying, but people be dying, people be dying. Woe is coming to those who hold the keys, keeping doors blocked to rejected, broken people, keeping the house locked, yet inside themselves they feed. Who's gone to heaven? And who's gone to hell? Judgment begins at the house of God. Share this news, Jesus is coming soon. He's calling to you. The King is coming, the glory train is boarding, ship of Zion sails are setting, the Jordan is parting, we'll soon be crossing. If we love Jesus, do we love Him with all our hearts, truly believing? All aboard, our King is coming, engine lamps are fueled and burning. It's not too late, but we are at the end, watching the gate, my friend.